everyone, once again I am back with new activity. In activity 6, we are going to find out the age. Means we are going to calculate age without asking them their age. This is a very simple and interesting activity. And believe me, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy with your family. And it's very simple to do it. Since it is the last activity of this virtual camp, so I request everyone to prepare it at home and play it. Enjoy your summer activity. So let's start. So student, let's start with activity 6, calculating age. For this we require certain material, like we have to prepare cards like this, and I'll explain you how to prepare these cards, how to write the numbers one by one. Okay, so this is my first card, and you can observe here 1, 3, 5, 7 means odd numbers are written, right? 1, 3, 5, 7 and odd numbers are written. As per the rule, we are going to write numbers from 1 to 60 only. Okay, so here 60 is an even number, so it end up with 59 here. Now moving on to the second card, you can see here 2, starting from 2, 2, 3, then 4 and 5 are missing, then 6, 7, 8, 9 missing, 10, 11, 12, 13 is missing. Means what you have noticed that 2 numbers are missed. We have started from 2, हमने 2 से स्टार्ट किया है, तो 2, 3 है, उसके बाद 4, 5 नहीं है, 6, 7 है, फिर 8, 9 नहीं है, 10, 11 है, 12, 13 is not there. So I hope you have understood how you have to prepare this card, leaving 2, putting 2, leaving 2, writing 2. In this card number 3, starting from 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 4 numbers. Now leave next 4 numbers, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now 4 numbers हमने छोड़ दिए, उसके बाद आया 12, 13, 14, 15, again 4 number. Then next, leave the next 4 numbers, then next 4 numbers are here. So like this, consecutively you have to leave 4 numbers and write 4 numbers. Now I hope you have understood the pattern, how you have to do. Like here we have started with 1, तो हमने एक एक नंबर छोड़ के लिख दिया. Here we started from 2, तो हमने 2 numbers लिखे और 2 numbers छोड़ के सारे numbers लिख दिए, and 60 से पहले वाले 1 to 60. Here I started from 4, so I have written 4 numbers, next 4 numbers I have left, then again in a sequence 4 numbers, then next 4 number left, next 4 numbers, so like this, done. Here it's 8, so I hope you have understood. पहले starting 8 numbers हमने लिखे, उसके बाद next 8 numbers हमने छोड़ दिया, फिर उसके आगे के 8 numbers हमने यहाँ तक लिख दिया. Okay, so here it is 16. Same way you have to follow. You have to write down first 16 numbers and leave the next 16 numbers, then 16 numbers, leave the 16. ठीक है, और ये काम आपको 60 तक ही करना है. Same way here 32. You have to write down 32 numbers and then, ठीक है. So like this you have to prepare a card. Now I am going to tell you one more rule. See, you can learn this in 3 different ways. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is 1. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2. What is the result? 4. Same way, let us understand the rule. How to prepare these cards. First card starting from 1, then 3, 5 means what we have observed, odd numbers lying from 1 to 60, right? In card 2, we have written 2 numbers and then 2 gap. The next 2 numbers, then 2 gap. In this card, third card, which is starting from 4, 5, 6, 7, then the gap of 4. Gap of 4. right? Then moving on to this card, 8, we have taken 8 and then gap of 8 numbers, 16, then gap of 16 numbers, 32 and gap of 32 numbers. So like this we have prepared this card. Now how you will remember? First pattern is like this. You can also remember these cards as first card, which is 1, is 2 raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. ये आप अभी लर्न करेंगे. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 raised to the power 2, 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. 2 raised to the power 3, which means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, result is 16, and 2 raised to the power 5. तो अब आपको लर्न करने में इजी रहेगा कि हमें पैटर्न कौन सा फॉलो करना है. 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1. So this is second case by which you can remember about these cards. एक तो सबसे पहला मेथड यही था हमारा, ऑड नंबर्स, देन गैप ऑफ 2, गैप ऑफ. लेकिन हमें ये कैसे याद रहेगा कि हमें यहाँ 1 से स्टार्ट करना है, यहाँ 2 से स्टार्ट करना है, ये 4 से, तो ये यहाँ से लर्न होगा. 2 raised to the power 0. ठीक है. अब now moving on to the next. This is 2 raised to the power 0, which is 1, और इसके पीछे हमने लिख दिया है 1. ठीक है. This is 2 raised to the power 1. This is 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4. मीन्स हमने ये फर्स्ट नंबर आप कह लीजिए या एक्सपोनेंट के फॉर्म में आप लर्न कर लीजिए. 8, so I have written 8, 16, 16, 32, 32. तो आपके पास 3 रूल्स हो गए इसको याद करने के लिए. आप कोई सा भी एक रूल अपने दिमाग में लर्न कर लीजिएगा, विच विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So here we are going to find out with the help of these 6 cards what is the age of that particular person. Suppose that I'll consider that my age is 25. So I'm going to ask or find where is 25. 25 is here in this card. So I'll turn this up. I'll search 25 here. No. 25 in this card. No. 25 is here, yes, so I'll turn this card. 25 is also present in this card, so I'll turn this card. And here the number is starting from 32, so no, not possible. Now sum up. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. I hope you have understood how to find out the age of any person without asking, or through calculating only you will be able to find out. Now I will tell you how to play this card. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसका एक और रूल है जो आपको याद रखना है, that you can only find out age from 1 to 60. ठीक है. जिसकी एज 1 से 60 के बीच में लाई हो सकती है, आप उसी के साथ ये गेम प्ले कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज हमने 1 to 60 ही लिया हुआ है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड एंड play the game. Okay, so suppose that अभी आपने क्या करना है, you have to ask the person that what is your age. Don't tell me, मुझे आप अपनी एज मत बताइए, बस आप मुझे बताइए वो एज किस कार्ड में लाई कर रही है. दैट नंबर जो एज है वो किस कार्ड में लाई कर रही है. जो जैसे ही आपको वो बताते जाएंगे कि अगर वो एज 30 है, सपोज दैट उस बंदे ने अपने माइंड में किया कि ओके माई एज इज़ 30 बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू, तो आप वो सर्च करेगा यहाँ पे 30 इज़ लाइंग इन दिस, तो ही विल टर्न दिस कार्ड लाइक दिस. 30 इज़ ऑल्सो हियर, ही विल टर्न दिस कार्ड. 30 इज़ हियर इन दिस, 30 इज़ ऑल्सो हियर, ही विल टर्न अप दिस. दैट्स इट. नाउ हैव अ, आप क्या करोगे, बस उन्होंने कार्ड्स ही तो टर्न किया है, आप फटाफट से कैलकुलेट करोगे. 16 + 4 20, 8 and 2 10, 20 and 10 30. So you will tell him or her that your age is 30. है ना interesting? So enjoy this activity and do it prepare these cards. All these cards are homemade and it is very easy to prepare. आप half an hour में बहुत जल्दी ये सारा prepare कर लेंगे and shoot a small video and forward it. You can also send the photographs. Enjoy the activity. Hope you have enjoyed this activity, and since it is the last activity, I request you to give your 2 or 3 minutes clip to me. You can also send me the photographs of your cards which you have prepared and forward it on my personal number. So till then, bye bye.